Hello guys, today I will discuss about the Modbus, how to use the Modbus and with the MODSCAN software. Okay, let's see the opening my one PLC software and writing the some simple program for showing the program on the MODSCAN software. Okay, let's see opening my EcoStructure machine expert basic. Opening this. Wait some time. Oh, taking some time. I will create the simple program in Schneider PLC software. Then the data value I will show on MODSCAN. Okay, let's see. First of all, creating program inactive. Just simply inactive them and click apply. Now go to configure section, select any one PLC from here. I am choosing one PLC. You can choose any one PLC. This PLC, if you want to know about this PLC, then see that this is the PLC part number TM200CE 24R, 14 sync and source input with a 2 common line and 10 sync transistor output with 2 common line, one serial input, one serial line port and one Ethernet port, and 24 digital controller with the removable terminal block. This terminal block is removable. This is for Modbus connection. You can see here, zoom out from there and drop it, zoom it. Drop down and zoom it. You can see this is the Modbus connection. Okay, you can use the positive terminal D1 and negative terminal D0 and shield common. This is the removable terminal. You can connect it here of the Modbus cable. And this is the power connection for 24 volt DC and plus 24 volt and minus 24 volt. This is ground, and this is the output terminal, and this is the input terminal. This is the input terminal. Total input terminal is 14, and this is the Ethernet connection. Now I am going by. Okay. Drop up. I'm into the programming section. Just I'm taking one simulation. For the simulation, you can take here S6. S6 is the pulse generated every 1 second. You can see here time base of 1 second generated by the internal clock. This is the internal clock. It will be generate the time pulse. every 1 second. Now I'm taking one word MW0 colon equal to MW0 percentage and plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now when the pulse will come, MW0 will be 8 1 if initially value store is 0 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 1 will be stored in MW0. Again MW0 will be 1 and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. In next pulse it will be stored that 2. Okay, you can see here this is simple calculation. I am taking this same series. M0 S6 pulse generation. Now you can draw the line connection to each other. After connection you can take here the push button for start. M5. Okay, now I am taking the in simulation mode. Okay, let's launch the simulator. You can see program is in run condition. I am clicking start the counter. Now we can see the counter is increasing. Okay, for change you can do here 2. You can do here 3. You can do here and click on the send button. Okay, now my program is successfully complete and it is running condition. Now I'm going to in MODSCAN software. First of all, how to download the MODSCAN software we have to know. Okay, you have to know. Open any browser. Okay, open any browser, search here MODSCAN32. Okay, Wintech. You can download MODSCAN here from here. Okay, 32-bit as well as 64-bit. Okay, now I have already downloaded MODSCAN 32-bit. So I am opening this MODSCAN software. Here is MODSCAN 32-bit software is open. This software is not for installation. This is only immediately click on run and use. For this is not need for installation. Okay. Now click here OK and click cancel. Wait 1 second. Click OK. Wait 2 seconds. Click OK. Now actually my PLC is in simulation condition, so I have to use the ideal IP address of the PLC. Okay, so ideal IP address is 127.0.0.1. okay, and port number is 502. okay, click here. Okay, yeah. Now connection is established. Now first of all, for the introduction of the MODSCAN software, you can see here this is the file, connection, setup, view, window and help. From the help section you can go help topic. About the MODSCAN software, you can choose here what you want to know about the MODSCAN. All topic wise summarize has been declared here. You can read and understand. Okay, this is the help section, and this is the about the MODSCAN software. You can click here, you can check here MODSCAN version and all thing detail about the MODSCAN. Okay, now this is the window screen. You can choose here cascade title, and this is, if I can choose the title cascade, it will be so this type. If I can title, this will be so this type. It will be window according to arrangement. Okay, this is nothing. Okay, now I am going to view. If you want to see the data of the PLC here in this type, okay, so you can check here toolbar, status bar and display bar. Okay, click here configure color. You want to background, change the background color, you can click here, choose select the background color. Okay, it will be automatically change background color from here. Okay, background color you can choose here, change, click OK. You can choose here. I am initially putting this color. No, 1 second. I am putting for color is this yes. I'm keeping this color. Now go on the setup connection tab is so the data define, data display. If you want to display data, this data coming from the PLC, so display in the format of integer. You can select integer, long integer, long integer, most significant register first, last significant register first. In floating condition, most significant and least significant. In double condition, same here. In hexadecimal also. You can choose here what data you want to display on the, what data type you want to display. And now connection is, you can disconnect here and connect here. If you have the IP address, you can put here. If physical PLC IP address, you have to put here. original IP address of the PLC. If you have simulation condition PLC, then you can use the ideal IP address here. If you have PLC in coming from the USB connection, then you have to change the baud rate, word length and parity stop bit according to requirement in your PLC. You can set here, also same here. Okay, now connection you have understand auto start. You can enable configure and restore. Now previous data, if you want to restore, you can check here, automatically restore or in the save file in your PC, it will be restored. Okay, now in the file you have to various option. New, you can choose new tab. If you have 2 to 3 PLC at a time connection, you can select here, click new 2 or 3 file at a time connection. Okay, I am just closing this. Okay, and here custom form is create open. You can choose here. This is custom form. You want to, if you want to anything change here, you can change. Closing this software. Okay, now if you want to save this data, save from here. Print data, print here. If you want to print setup, print setup. Now actually my PLC is my MODSCAN is in demo condition, so connection is expired. We have to open this again. Click here, double click. Okay, cancel, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, now click on the connection. We have the ideal IP address. Okay, we have to connect. Now click OK. Now I have the PLC 0 MW0 or MW0 and you can change here. First of all, actually I have used the same register to use 4 and 4. 6 send it. Send it and see here. Actually memory word data will be come in holding register. So you can see here data is coming same here. You can open. Yes, you can this is the software same here. 800 data MW2 address is coming on MW 4000 value. Okay, MW4 is coming on 4000 4 is coming on 5, 6 or coming on 7, 6 or coming. One tag is extended every tag. One address, one value is extended. Okay, I want to stop this value by using this button. So M5 is coil. Okay, coil. I have come here. Coil 5 will become on 6. So you can click here, double click. If you want to off this value, click update. It will be automatically off. Okay, this is the coil. Coil will be used for the memory bit If I want to start here, M56 start on update, yes, on. You can see here, come into holding register, it will be update. Okay, and go in while. If I will off, you can see here value has been stopped, not updating. If you go on while, click 6, click on, and come in holding register. Modbus has been expired. 1 second. Again I have to start. Actually demo period software is very critical. Only giving 2 to 30 minutes. Cancel. Okay. Connection has been done. Now this address will be, you can put here from range, what range you want to see, length, how much count of data will you want to show. If I want to see the holding register from 0 to 5 value only, so you can put here 5. It will show only 5 value here. If you can put here 6, it will be 6. It will be, if you put here 50, it will be show here 50 column, 50 address at a time. Now ID you can see here in PLC device ID in the configuration section. Go here, Modbus section. Here is IP address is always, device ID is 1. Okay, 1. Device ID is 1 here. 1 here. You can choose here according to master and slave. This will be this will be covered in another topic, another video for master slave configuration. Okay, you can choose here. Coil and holding register has been clear. Now input status is input status of the PLC is like I0, I1, I2 will be come here, and input register is the data register which will be come from any direct Modbus data is like input module, Modbus module from a massivus. It will show here value. Okay, now if this is the number of poles and valid slave response, you can reset. Number of poles is sending from here to the PLC. A PLC response with it, so it will be count here. Now if you want to check, this value, want to change integer, floating, you can click here. Here is showing binary. If you want to see in binary value, you can click here binary. If you want to see decimal, you can see here, click on decimal value. You have to see here decimal. If you want to see in integer, then the value of the register will be shown in integer. If you want to see in hexadecimal, you can see here in hexadecimal value. All value will be shown in hexadecimal. If you want to see all data in floating point, floating value, then you can click here. All value will be shown in the floating value. Okay, and you can see as like this, all things are coming here. Okay, double, double MSP, double NSP, LSP. Okay, all things are has been covered. Okay, now you can close here. This is the MODSCAN software. I have already shown I have already shown previous how to download the MODSCAN software. Okay, now you have to subscribe our channel for more video, and notification will be on. Then I will be made in next video. So goodbye.